that you have changed your lifestyle and you are eating well. Today we are going to talk about the types of oils you can use while reversing your diabetes. Reversing your diabetes starts in your kitchen. It begins with what you eat. Here is a list of cooking oils that are good for you if you have diabetes. Include these in your diabetes diet and you are on your way to recovery from this deadly disease called diabetes. Choosing cooking oils. Do all cooking oils have all types of fats? Choose oils with more omega-3 fatty acids than omega-6 fatty acids, as omega-6 leads to inflammation, which is one of the causes of type 2 diabetes. Choose oils that are cold pressed. The chemical makeup of cooking oil changes when it is heated. To avoid inflammation, you need to choose good oil if you are diabetic. Please avoid refined vegetable oils. These give you serious inflammation. Avoid, please. Use avocado oil, ghee, coconut oil, macadamia oil, mustard oil, groundnut oil, unrefined sesame oil, unrefined sunflower oil, extra virgin olive oil, pure almond oil, or palm oil, depending on the ones you have available. Now I'd like to share with you the types of oils I use to reverse my diabetes. I use extra virgin olive oil for most of my cooking, for my stew. You can get this in the stores. I also use avocado oil spray. Just spray a little in the frying pan to fry your eggs and you get all the nutrients. I also use pure almond oil. This is also very good, though expensive. I use it occasionally. Then I also use ghee. Ghee is also very good. You can see this is organic ghee. It's very good, especially for those on keto diet. When it is open, you can see the way it looks. It looks like margarine, but it is actually oil. Very good and very nourishing. I also use coconut oil very often for my swallows. Sometimes I add it to my coffee and my chocolate drinks. This is very good. Most times I do not wait until it is finished before I buy another one because I use this very often. Very, very nourishing, and it's very good for anyone with diabetes. And most times, sometimes if I cannot go to the stores, I buy the local ones. It is equally very good. And finally, palm oil. This is very good. You can use it to cook your stew, your vegetables, or any kind of soup. Sometimes I use it to make my egg omelets. So nourishing, so super, so good. You cannot go wrong with palm oil. Eat better food. Reverse your diabetes. Diabetes is reversible. God bless you.